Yes. Greetings wadau. Currently tuko Karura forest. So I've just decided to why not come and visit Karura forest today. So today kuna watoto wengi sana tena sana humu. Acha kwanza wapite. Hii traffic jam ni kubwa. Back on the move. So nimeangalia nikaona like the whole trail ni around 5 kilometers. So sijui nitafika wapi, lakini tutaona kwenye tutafika. Sijui nitafika hadi wapi, but nimeona like pale chini imeandikwa 5 kilometers. So you come with me tuone kwenye tutafika. Pia mimi sijui kwenye nitafika, but kuna kaa kunyesha. Yes, anyway guys, welcome to the Madhenge Disho Tours. Yes. Maybe mmenizoea kuniona kwa rural areas. Lakini leo niko towni. So let's take a walk in Karura forest. Nataka tuone what this place has to offer. So I think the most key places zenye watu wanajua sana, ama the ones that people know very much, is first of all we have I think the caves. There's the caves, and then we have the waterfall, and then I think we have a lily lake. So let's start here. So hapa imeandikwa wet season path. We are here. Wet season, sijui kama mnaweza ona, wet season path to River Cafe, Amani Garden, Limuru Gate. So si tuliingilia hapa Limuru Gate. So is it wet season ama being at a crossroad ni vibaya, but at least hapo nimeona tu it's just like imani whatever. So tukirudi we might come back there tuone. Wow, this place is so good, man. Alafu it is funny that this place is only Kedo, roughly around not more than even 5 minutes from town. Imagine just 5 minutes from town, you find such a good place. Dogs off leash. So here we have a river cafe, to caves and waterfall, to Lily Lake, and to so because tunataka kwenda to the caves and waterfall, I think we are going to go that way first. Yes, and then to Rudi. Then we go to the Lily Lake, and we go to the Kifit on foot. Sindio? How long are they? Because let's go to the river cafe first. Let's go to the River Cafe. What is at the River Cafe? So here we have them. This is Tuamani Garden and River Cafe. Okay. This is a detailed tour. Please keep your oh, so this is this is the place where maybe if you have, unajua place iko Muthaiga, so kuna maumbo mingi. Sasa unaona hapa imeandikwa please keep your area. This is a village area. So maybe if you have your dog with you, maybe you can bring it here. It can play there. Let's take a long route. Let's go back and take a long route. Why should we take a short route, man? Why should we take a short route? Anyway, guys, remember, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. It's now or never. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It's now or never. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel for epic adventures. Niliwaambia hapa we only do epic adventures. No editing, no nothing. We just record our adventures as they come and go. And I don't know if these are dogs which move here. But this place is cool. This is a place that I definitely recommend to anyone and everyone who is able to come to this place. Come visit this place, the Karura forest. Just look at this. Look at how beautiful that place is. The trees, the grass, and the paths. And as I was telling you guys, imagine this place is only 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. Not more than 5 minutes from Nairobi, from the city. And the entrance is also, I think I've paid around 121 shillings only to enter. Only 121 shillings to enter, imagine. So, and for the transport, I've used a boda. I think you have seen in my previous video as I was arriving. Because I recorded my way. I think, what is this? I think this is the village area. I don't know. Maybe this is what they call the village. Yeah, so as I was telling you guys, that nimekuja. And also there are seats that you can actually sit and relax. These are seats that you can actually have a seat, relax, be chill, you know. Wow. I think I'll make this something that I'll be visiting more often. I love nature, man. I would love to come and chill here. Kila time nakuja tu na chill tu hapa pia. Because I was telling you that entrance is around 121 shillings for me. Transport is around 200 maybe. So, ukiwa na dhao, if you have 1,000 shillings, that is enough for you to come and enjoy a day here in Karura forest. Anyway, guys, let the adventures continue. I will get back to you once I get to somewhere that is kinda interesting.